Each time you redirect your words, you rewrite your reality. Each time you choose kindness, you repair the relationship you have with yourself. And little by little, the critic weakens. Little by little, the voice softens. Little by little, the heart opens. And then something beautiful happens. One day, without effort, you hear yourself say something kind. Not forced, not practiced, not scripted, natural, genuine, real. And that moment is the beginning of everything. That moment is the moment you realize you have finally become a friend to yourself. From this place, this soft, gentle, loving place, healing becomes effortless. When you stop attacking yourself, your nervous system calms. When you stop attacking yourself, your body relaxes. When you stop attacking yourself, your heart feels safe enough to open. When you stop attacking yourself, your mind feels spacious enough to receive new ideas. When you stop attacking yourself, your soul begins to trust you. And trust is the foundation of self-love. Let me give you a powerful truth. Every time you stop yourself from criticizing, you are choosing to heal. Every time you replace judgment with compassion, you are choosing to grow. Every time you speak kindly to yourself, you are choosing to evolve. You are choosing your future. You are choosing your freedom. You are choosing your heart. My dear, you deserve a relationship with yourself that feels like coming home, a place where you feel safe, a place where you feel supported, a place where you feel accepted, a place where you feel loved. And that begins the moment you end the habit of criticism. So place your hand over your heart for a moment. Feel its warmth, feel its rhythm, feel its devotion beating for you every second of your life. And quietly whisper, I am willing to stop all criticism. I choose kindness. I choose compassion. I choose love. This is the first gateway. Walk through it gently. I am right here with you. Let's discuss the idea that most of the fear you experience is not real at all. It is a story your mind has learned to tell, a movie your imagination plays without permission, a pattern you inherited or absorbed long before you ever. So when you speak kindly, your mind relaxes. When you speak lovingly, your mind opens. When you speak fearlessly, your mind becomes brave. Be kind to your mind, and your mind will become kind to you. Many people expect the mind to think positive thoughts on its own, but the mind is like a garden. It grows what you plant. If you plant fear, fear grows. If you plant self-attack, self-attack grows. If you plant doubt, doubt grows. But if you plant love, love grows. If you plant trust, trust grows. If you plant peace, peace grows. And this is where true transformation begins. Not when life changes on the outside, but when you change what you are nurturing on the inside. Your mind is not broken. Your mind is simply repeating old programming. But you are not obligated to keep that programming. You can update it. You can rewrite it. You can soften it. You can transform it. You can teach your mind how to support you. And you do this with awareness, with intention, with repetition, with love. So let us go back to the core truth. When you change the words you speak to yourself, you change the images your mind creates. When you change the images, you change the emotions. When you change the emotions, you change the actions. When you change the actions, you change your entire life. Your thoughts shape your destiny, not punishment, but permission to grow. You are not meant to fight with yourself. You are meant to partner with yourself. Your negative patterns are simply outdated survival strategies. They are not your destiny. They are not your truth. They are not your identity. They are temporary stories you learned during times of vulnerability, and you are allowed to rewrite them. So place a hand over your heart and ask gently, celebrate its wisdom. Whisper lovingly, "My body is a wonderful place to live," because you deserve a loving home inside yourself. And you can create that home with your thoughts, your tone, your language, your presence. This is mind-body healing. This is self-love in action. This is the beginning of the new relationship between your shining star.